Imagine this, you're deep in the Rockies, snow crunching under all-terrain tires. Or maybe you're downtown in rush hour, cargo in the back, business on your mind. Either way, your ride needs to be bulletproof. Welcome to a new era. The 2025 Ford Transit 4X4 isn't just a van. It's a symbol of how far we've come, and where we're going. And if you're still thinking a cargo van can't be badass, stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll be wondering why this machine isn't in your driveway, yet. Ford didn't just slap on a 4X4 badge and call it a day. The 2025 Transit was built with purpose. For tradespeople, adventurers, small businesses, and yes, even vanlifers who want to escape society and their mother-in-law's text. The idea, mobility that doesn't apologize. With the rise in extreme weather, rural delivery routes, and off-grid lifestyles, Ford had to reimagine utility. So they studied drivers, their needs, challenges, and dreams. This update, it's the answer. And it's damn good. Let's talk what's under the hood, because beauty's great, but torque matters. The 2025 Transit 4X4 comes with the 3.5L EcoBoost V6, delivering over 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it's ready to rip through sand, snow, or Monday mornings. And yes, it's not full-time 4X4. It's intelligent AWD, adapting power to the wheels based on conditions, which means you save fuel when you're cruising and gain traction when it counts. You're not in Kansas anymore, or 2010. The 2025 Transit cockpit is clean, high-tech, and surprisingly luxurious. 12-inch touchscreen, Sync 5, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and yes, a full digital instrument cluster that looks like it belongs in a spaceship. Comfort, heated seats, ergonomic layout, modular cargo options. Translation, you can load tools, haul gear, or turn it into a mobile office, without needing a chiropractor. Here's where things get emotional. Because your family, your cargo, your team, they matter. Ford's loaded this Transit with Ford Copilot 360, pre-collision assist, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, and adaptive cruise control. Why? Because distractions happen, black ice happens, and honestly, life happens. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a guardian. And for business owners, that means peace of mind. For adventurers, more focus on the road less traveled, not what might go wrong. Whether you're converting it into a camper, running a mobile barbershop, or hauling plumbing supplies, the Transit's modular upfit options are next level. High roof, medium roof, or low roof. Extended wheelbase. Done. Need a workbench, a bed, or a solar setup? It's all possible. It's the ultimate blank canvas, whether you're building a business or a dream. And that's why it's more than a van. It's a mission vehicle. Let's address the elephant in the room. Price. Starting at just under $54,000, it's not cheap, but neither is a vehicle that can adapt to your life for 10+ years. Compared to Sprinters, Pro Masters, and other AWD options, the Transit 4X4 holds its own, especially when you factor in Ford's nationwide service support and resale value. You're not just buying capability. You're investing in freedom. So here's the question. What could you do with a vehicle that doesn't fear snow, dirt, or deadlines? What could you build? Where could you go? Whether you're running a business, chasing a dream, or just looking for a machine that shows up, the 2025 Ford Transit 4X4 is here to say, let's go. Because roads end, trails disappear, but your drive, that's unstoppable. Thanks for watching. If this video revved something inside you, hit subscribe, and tell us in the comments where would you take the new Transit. Cue outro music. Cut to logo plus subscribe button.